Hello students, how are you? Welcome to you in your computer class. Here's our chapter 5 Multimedia in MS PowerPoint, and our today's topic is apply sound effects to animated text or an object. So in previous topic we discussed that how we can animate text and objects. And now in this topic we will discuss that how we can apply sound effects that animated text or objects. So you can give additional emphasis to animated text or an object by applying sound effects on it. So if you want to add sound to animated text or an object, then you have to follow some simple steps. So here is my step 1. First of all, on the animations tab in the advanced animation group. In the advanced animation group, you have to click on animation pane. When you will click on this option, then on the right side of the window, animation pane will be opens. Then after clicking on this option, here is our step 2. Click the down arrow and then click on effects option. So when you will click on effects option, then effects dialog box will appear with different options on the screen. Then here is our step 3. Then on the effect tab under enhancements in the sound box, there will be a sound box. Then click the arrow to open the link. We will click on arrow to open the link. So after clicking on this arrow, here is our step 4. Then after opening the list, we will click a sound from the list. Click a sound from the list. So after clicking on a sound, we will click on OK button. So here is our step 5. So here is step 5 is to preview all the animation and sound applied to a slide in the animation pane. Then click on play. So when you will click on this option, then your chosen sound will be play. So with the help of these simple 5 steps, you can apply sound effects to animated text or an objects.